I'm just ready to just do it. And whatever comes with it, whatever happens, I'm gonna just roll with it.
Why roll with it? What's the idea of that?
Sometimes life throws you lemons and you just gotta roll with it. It's a positive thing. I come from a line of chefs, bakers. Everybody in my family loves to cook, so cooking has come natural to me.
3, 2, 1, whoa.
I was early. It was an effortless decision. Tony was great. The process was seamless. I came here on a win, and I didn't know that I would be finishing off with this. And now I'm here, ready to do my own thing. Just go for it. Whenever you have anything on your mind, just go for it. Don't second guess yourself. Just start taking the steps to do what you need to do for yourself.
What are some of your favorite memories of cooking when you were a kid and your mom and everything? What's your favorite things to make?
I'm just really watching Bobby Flay, growing up on Food Network, rushing home to catch that, Rachel Ray, Sandra Lee, just experimenting in the kitchen, watching my mom make recipes and joining in and doing it on my own.
That's so cool. Now you got your own business.
Now I have my own business.